These channels have shaken up the YouTube algorithm. You must have definitely seen such videos in your feed too. This channel monetized itself in just 26 videos, and at the same time, some of its videos have brought in over 1 million views within a month. Now look at this channel. As long as this channel was posting normal videos, there were no views to be seen. As soon as it started posting these types of videos, the views immediately started picking up. And today, I am going to give you the full blueprint to create these videos using free tools, Notebook LM and CapCut. Before we move forward, some of you might doubt that such channels don't get monetized. But friends, all the channels I just showed you were monetized. Meaning that those who create generic content using AI just by adding video clips without using their own intellect to make a video, their channels are not getting monetized. YouTube flags them for demonetization or issues with inauthentic content. But this content will not face any such problems at all. So, without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Before we continue, here's something exciting. Seedance 2.5 is coming to CapCut in early July, and it's looking like a huge upgrade over Seedance 2.0. You'll be able to generate videos up to 30 seconds in a single shot, use up to 50 reference assets including images, videos, and audio, and enjoy much more precise editing and control with simple prompts. This could be a major leap for AI video creation, and I can't wait to try it. Stay tuned for Seedance 2.5. Now, let's move on to the first step, where we will use Notebook LM. First, we need to copy the links to some popular videos from this channel. After this, you need to come to Notebook LM. You can easily use this on your mobile as well. After opening Notebook LM, click on the plus icon and select the website option. Now we will paste the video link we copied here. A great thing here is that you can paste multiple video links at once and have them analyzed. So I have pasted one link here, and in the same way, I will paste links for 5 to 6 more videos from this channel. As soon as all the links are pasted, you have to click on Insert. Now, you will have to wait for a while. Notebook LM will carefully watch all those videos and understand what kind of story is being used, what kind of visuals are being used, how the scenes are being created, what the flow of the video is like, and after deeply analyzing all these things, it will give you a short summary. Now, in this same chat, paste the detailed prompt that I will provide in the description. After this, you will see the title section. Here, you can give any story title of your choice. If you want, you can also type "create one yourself" and the AI will generate an entirely new story. Now send the prompt. After waiting for a while, you will see an output like this. Here, you will get the video, title, scene number, scene name, scene connection, scene transition, image prompt, and video prompt all at once. It has generated about 5 to 6 scenes for me here. Now, the next step is to convert these prompts into images. So, I will first copy the image prompt for scene 1. After this, let's come to CapCut. After coming to CapCut, you have to click on the AI image option. Now, paste your prompt into the prompt box. After this, go to the model section and select the GPT 2.0 model. Set the resolution to 1K and the size to 16:9 aspect ratio. Now click on Generate. After a while, it will generate 4 images for you, and you can see for yourself how incredible the image quality is. Now we will select one of these images and click on Image to Video. Now it is time to convert this image into a video. For this, we will come back to Notebook LM and copy the video prompt for scene 1. In this video prompt, you will also find dialogues included. Now, come back to CapCut and paste this prompt into the prompt box. After this, select the Seedance 2.0 fast model, set the resolution, duration, and aspect ratio exactly like mine and click on Generate. After waiting for a while, our video will be generated and ready.
Oh, brother, their talent is such that even the biggest lawsuits salute them.
Oh, you nameless child of a lawsuit. You spent the whole night guarding the Black Rat's house and you were sleeping like a log. Let's go home.
Hey, darling, let me drink my tea. I mean, right now, I will chew those thieves up raw.
You can see how fantastic the result has turned out. Now, in the same way, we will generate the image for scene 2. We will copy the image prompt for scene 2 again, paste it into CapCut, and click on Generate. This will again generate 4 images for us. We will select one of these images and click on Image to Video. Now we will need the video prompt for scene 2, so we will come back to Notebook LM, copy the video prompt for scene 2, and paste it into the prompt box in CapCut. After this, keeping the exact same settings, we will click on Generate. After a while, the video will be generated and ready.
Quick, hey, no mouse will be spared. I am an action hero today. Hey, action hero, eat your food first. Pick up the goods, you bunch of scoundrels. Ouch, my back. All right, Rajamar.
And brother, you can see for yourself how incredible the video quality is. No one will be able to tell that it was generated by AI. Yes, sometimes there might be minor errors in the dialogue, but the overall result is quite fantastic. Now, by following this exact process, you need to generate all the remaining scenes. Now suppose I have generated all the scenes, then our next and final step is video editing, and the good thing is that you won't have to work hard on editing because these videos already have dialogues added. So you do not even need to add a separate voiceover. You just have to add all the clips to the timeline, add some transitions where needed, and export the video. That is it. Your work is done. Right now, these kinds of videos are going viral very quickly. So create a new YouTube channel and start uploading these videos. I have already explained the entire process of how to make the video. You will find the link to the prompt in the description. And if you want the CapCut version I use, that link is also provided in the description. You can check it out there. So that is all for today's video. And if you are facing the 0 views problem on YouTube, then you must watch this video of mine.